Hi, my name is Kirian, and I'm going to present you DTInsight, a tool for explicit, interactive, and continuous digital twin reporting. We use an incubator for our case study, digital twin, and we have a simulated incubator running that has temperature rising and stabilizing to a certain level. The question is, how do we get insight into the digital twin? So we have this DT constellation figure taken from previous work, and we populate it with DT components with ontological data. There is the physical twin on the left and the digital twin on the right with a three-layered approach, models, enablers, and services. So this is a conceptual architecture that is interactive, and when you highlight or click nodes, it highlights them to show their dependencies. You can click to see the actual model and script behind the DT components. And if you connect it to data from RabbitMQ, what you get is real-time information on the conceptual architecture, and you can open up and see a graph of the data coming in from the incubator. Then, if we pick a file of the incubator, we can have a visualization service directly from the conceptual architecture in a pop-up that's reactive to actual data. And so that's synced with the data that's being shown on the architecture. So all of this comes from ontological data. So ontologies, on OML, we built a vocabulary that sort of describes the 21 characteristics of a digital twin. So we have services, we have descriptions, how they should be related, and then we instantiate them through an OML description. So ML is ontology modeling language. And this way we can describe the actual components of the incubator as well as other characteristics such as hosting and deployment, for example, so in plain text. So this is sent to an Apache Jena Fusky server that we can call using Sparkle queries with an HTTP endpoint. And we integrate all of this into a CI/CD pipeline. That way we can trigger the taking screenshots and dumping data. We can add those screenshots to the repository and deploy with Hugo to a website on the internet. And here's the website on the internet available at this URL. So this is fully interactive since we use Godot, which is a game engine for 2D and 3D graphics. And at the bottom, we have a characteristics table with 21 characteristics that describe a digital twin. This is taken from previous research on using 21 characteristics to describe digital twin. And finally, we have constellation screenshots that's embedded within the reporting page. So to conclude, DTInsight provides explicit reporting through ontologies, iterative reporting through an interactive DT conceptual architecture, and continuous reporting through the integration of all of these into a CI/CD pipeline deployed on a reporting page on the web. This improves stakeholder visibility and insight into the digital twin.